I'm getting dinner started. Cheese and pepperonis in her. She don't want no veggies. And these are just boneless, skinless thighs. I'm gonna probably do some shrimp somewhere in here too. My baby cleaning. And I'm gonna do some potatoes. Me too. I'm just getting the food mostly, but we haven't recovered and it's almost 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna still cook dinner and I'll show y'all the end results. Got the potatoes. I'm gonna just add some salt to these. I might do this. I might do corn on the cob. I'm gonna do a couple of shrimp, not a lot. And that's gonna be it. I think I'm gonna add some green beans in here just to have more veggies inside of here. So let's see. Okay, y'all, so I just added some mushrooms and some green beans, French style green beans. And now I'm gonna just season them up and put them in the oven. I got my potatoes in the oven, and that'll be it. I'm gonna just clean my pan out because I want it to be dry, and I'm gonna butter these down a little bit too so they can get color because they don't have no skin on them. I'm so exhausted, but I might add a little bread. I had got this loaf earlier, but other than that, y'all, as you can see, I just really don't care today. Oh, and my shrimp. Try not to forget the shrimp. And that'll be at the last minute though. But I'll let you see me put on the screws and stuff. So this is all the shrimp I'm gonna do. Cause I have a few more meals that I'm doing with shrimp. So yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna prep all this and clean her pan and deuces. Finished product, and it's like almost 7 o'clock in the evening. So